Welcome students. Let's continue with our maths class. Last day we have done multiplication and today we will do division of polynomials. Division of polynomials. In division, first like multiplication we have to know about the sign convention. In division also plus divided by plus will be plus. Like plus 6 divided by plus 3 is plus 2. Then minus divided by minus is also plus. Like minus 6 divided by minus 2 is plus 2. Then plus divided by minus or minus divided by plus means opposite signs. Then it will be minus. Like 6 divided by minus 3 or minus 6 divided by 3. In both cases it will be minus 3. Sorry, minus 2 and minus 2. It means when like signs are there, means the same signs are there, when they are divided, then the your answer will be in plus, and when opposite signs are there and in case of division then it will be minus. Like, and again one thing is that x to the power m divided by x to the power n means when division is there, bases are same, then powers will be subtracted. Like x to the power m divided by x to the power n is x to the power m minus n, just like arithmetic. 3 to the power 6 divided by 3 to the power 2 is equal to 3 to the power 6 minus 2, that is 3 to the power 4. So this is about the signs related to the division, and then the exponential form, how we will convert it. Now first we will discuss about the division of monomial with the monomial. A monomial means an expression with one term divided by another expression with one term. Okay. When a monomial is divided by monomial, like this is this 32 a cube b cube is divided by this one. Then what we have to do, this 32 will be divided by 8. Sorry, first I have to think about the sign, that plus divided by minus is minus. Plus divided by minus minus. So first think about the sign. Then numerical coefficient is there, and which will be divided by the numerical coefficient. So 32 divided by 8. It means the quotient of the numerical coefficient. And then we have to give into sign, and this a cube b cube by a b. Means numerical coefficient is divided by numerical coefficient, and literal coefficient divided by literal coefficient, and in between numerical and literal coefficient there will be the multiply sign. So it is equal to minus 4 and a cube minus a. It is actually a cube minus 1 and b cube minus 1. That is equal to minus 4 a to the power 2 b to the power 2 means a square b square. It means when a monomial is divided by a monomial, then quotient of the two monomial will be what? Quotient of their numerical coefficient, quotient of their numerical coefficient into quotient of their literal coefficient. So this is there. Now next sum is again related to monomial divided by a monomial. For example, minus 52 PQRQ divided by this. So it is actually minus 52 PQRQ. It is divided by minus 8 PQ to the power 4 R. So that is equal to what? Minus 52 PQRQ divided by minus 8 PQ to the power 4 R is equal to minus minus is plus. And then actually it is 52 divided by 8. You can write directly or you can write separately 52 by 8 like this. 52 by 8 into PQR cube divided by P to the power 3 Q to the power 4 R. Okay. So this is there, and then that is equal to what? That is equal to what? Cancel it. 4 2s are 8, 4 1, 4 3s are 12. So 13 by 2. So this is equal to what? Or you can write directly from here to here. 13, this is 13, and then 13 divided by 2. And then what will happen? This P and PQ. So it will be P to the power 1 minus 3 actually, and Q to the power 1 minus 4, and R to the power 3 minus 1. And that is equal to 13 by 2, P to the power minus 2, Q to the power minus 2, and R to the power 2. That is equal to 13 divided by 2, R square divided by P square Q square. It's not necessary that you will write the powers minus minus. You can write in denominator here also directly. Now next sum is this. So it is minus 4 divided by 5 a square b square c to the power 4 divided by 6 by 15 a b c square. So that one is equal to minus 4 divided by 5 divided by 6 by 15. So here it will be the reciprocal. Okay, and then it is a square into a square b square c to the power 4 divided by a b c square. This is divided by this one. Okay, so here we know that in division, suppose I'm doing here 2 by 3, suppose given, actually this is okay, 4 divided by 5, 4 by 5 divided by 6 by 15. So that is what? 4 by 5 into 15 by 6. So that I have written here. That you will write here. So it is 5 3s are 15, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. So numerical coefficients quotient 5 3s are 15, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, and 3 by 3 cancel. So it is 2 minus 2. And here it a square by a means it is a. It will be cancelled. B 2 minus 1 it is, and 4 minus 2. C to the power 4 divided by 2 means 4 minus 2, that is 2. So this is your answer. So the monomial, when divided by monomial, then numerical coefficient divided by numerical coefficient, and literal will be divided by the literal. Next one is that in case of division, when expression that a polynomial is there but divided by a monomial. Okay, a polynomial divided by a monomial. So here each term of the polynomial is divided by the monomial. Each term means this will divided by this, as well as this will be divided by this, this will be divided by this. So what I will write here, that is equal to 12x minus 9x plus 21z. 9y, sorry, 9y divided by minus 3. Okay, and that is equal to plus divided by minus is there. Or you can write this is 12, then it is 12x minus 9y plus 21z, and then it is divided by minus 3. So that is equal to what? 12x divided by minus 3, then this minus is there, 9y divided by minus 3, and then it is plus 21z divided by minus 3. That is equal to, this is plus divided by minus means minus. So 3 4s are 12, 4x. Now plus divided by minus is minus, but this minus and minus is plus. So 3 3s are 9, 3y. Then plus divided by minus, it is minus. So it is 7z. So that is the answer. So each term is divided by this. Like in arithmetic, suppose I write 2 plus 3 plus 5 divided by 2. What it indicates? It is 2 by 2 plus 3 by 2 plus 5 by 2. So same thing, same whatever I am doing here in arithmetic, the same I will do here in algebra also. Each term is divisible by minus 3. Next one is this sum, that this divided by this. So what I will write here is equal to 9x to the power 4 minus x cube minus 12x plus 3 divided by 3x. So that is equal to what? 9x 4 minus 8x cube minus 12x plus 3 divided by 3x. And that is equal to what? 9x to the power 4 divided by 3x minus 8x cube divided by 3x minus 12x divided by 3x plus 3 divided by 3x. Each term will be divided by the monomial, each term of polynomial. Now this one, 3 3s are 9, so 3 x to the power 4 divided by x means 4 minus 1, that is 3. So x to the power 3 minus 8 divided by 3. Okay, and x cube divided by x means x to the power 2. 3 minus 3 minus 1, so 2. And here x cancelled, or you can say that x to the power 1 minus 1, so x to the power 0, that is 1. So 1 plus 3 3 cancel, so it is 1 by x. So that is your answer. Next, one more. This is there. Okay, look this side carefully. That 16pr square minus 8pr cube minus 4p square r to the power 4 divided by, you can write directly this step. Okay, so that is equal to what? 16pr square. Each term now divide by this 4pr square. Then this minus sign is there. Or you can think like this also, minus divided by minus, so it will be plus here. Directly also you can write. Like here, this divided by this is, it will be, you can write here minus. And this divided by this is plus. First you write the sign and now you write the rest part. PR cube divided by 4PR square. Then minus minus divided will be plus. So it is 4P square R to the power 5 divided by 4PR square. What I said to you, this is plus divided by minus. So I have written directly here minus and this divided by this. Next minus minus will be plus and this divided by this one. Then again minus minus plus and this number will be divided by this. I think this one comparatively, the previous one we have done compared to that, this, if you think in this way, that will be more convenient. So this is minus 4 and p cancelled and r square also cancelled. So only 4 plus 4 2s are 8. P cancelled again. R to the power 3 minus 2 means r to the power 1 plus 4 and 4 cancelled. So p to the power 2 minus 1 means only p and r to the power 5 minus 2, that is 3. So this is the sum. This is the answer. So in this way, a polynomial is there divided by a monomial, then each term will be divided by the monomial. Okay. Next we will do fraction of the fraction one. A polynomial divided by a monomial, but here the numerical coefficients are in fraction. Okay. So it is, I will write here 3 divided by 4 ABC minus 2 divided by 5 A square BC square plus 1 by 7 AB square, and then it is, the overall thing is divided by, this whole thing is divided by this, so I will write it here, 1/3 ABC. Okay, that is equal to, now individual terms, So it means actually it is 3 by 4 ABC divided by 1 by 3 ABC. Then this minus sign, because minus plus will be minus here. So 2 by 5 A square B C square divided by 1 by 3 ABC, plus plus divided by plus is plus. Then that is 1 by 7 AB square divided by 1 by 3 ABC. Now next is that what we that is equal to what? It is equal to uh, this 3 by 4 divided by 1 by 3 means 3 by 4 into 3 by 1. Okay, and ABC divided by ABC cancelled, so it will be only this minus 2 by 5 into reciprocal of this is 3 by 1, and A square divided by A, that is A, B divided B, B cancelled, C square, so C is left. 1 by 7 into reciprocal of 1 by 3 is 3 by 1. A cancelled, okay, A by A cancelled, B square divided by B means 2 minus 1, that is only B, and here nothing, so C is there, so I will write in the denominator only. So now this is equal to what? Now 3 3s are 9 divided by 4 minus 3 2s are 6 divided by 5 AC plus 3B 3 by 7 BC. 3 divided by 7 BC, and that is the 3 by 7 B by C. Okay, so that is when the numerical coefficients are in the fractional form, then we have to divide in this way. This completely divided by this one, then individual terms will be divided, then this one I will take the quotient of the numerical coefficient and then the quotient of the literal coefficient. So this is calculated out. Now next division is polynomial is there and divided by a polynomial, means a number of terms are there in the expression and it is divided by number of terms, a polynomial divided by a polynomial. Okay, first thing I want to ask you, I think you know that in long term division method we write all the things in this way. Here we write divisor, here dividend, here quotient, and here remainder. Suppose 13 divided by 5, then I will write 5 here, 13 here, 2 here, okay, and 3 is the remainder. So this is known as divisor, and this we call dividend means, and this is the quotient, and here is the remainder. And I think one more thing you have learned in your lower classes, that this into this plus this will give you this, means a divisor multiplied by a quotient plus remainder, then it will give you the dividend. So here I have written the formula for it, that dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus the remainder. Like here if I want this, what I will do, 5 2s are 10 plus 3, then I will get 13. So that is 13 is the dividend. Divisor into quotient is equal to 10 plus 3 remainder 13. So that is your dividend. Here also I have written the same thing, 5 into 2 means divisor into quotient will plus remainder will give me the dividend. Okay. Like in algebra, if 3x square 4x cube is there, if I will divide it, then it will go one time. I'll write it here 3x square, this one, then you know in arithmetic also we subtract it here. So you will get here x square. Now verify that. This, if I want to verify, this into this plus this will give me this. So divisor into quotient into divisor plus the remainder. So that will give me the dividend. So this is about the verification, how we can verify a division whether it is right or wrong. Now see here the polynomial divided by a polynomial. The first we will use the long division method. Like that I will write all the terms here. Means long division method means This side I will write the divisor, that is x plus 3. This side I write the dividend. Okay. And when I will write the divisor and dividend, then both divisor and dividend will be either in the descending order or will be in the ascending order. Means both will be either in the descending order. Means I am writing this x plus 3. So that is the descending order. Here 2, 1 and 0. Power of x variable is 2, 1 and 0. So this way it is the descending order. And this one is in this way the descending order. So both I am writing in the descending order. So this is x plus 3 I have written, and here I will write x square plus 8x plus 15. If I will write in ascending order, then here I have to write 3 plus x, and here I have to write reverse way 5 plus 8x plus x square. Sorry, 15 here. Okay. Now divide it. So that is the first step. That first I will write in long division method, and then both this uh, divisor and dividend in the descending order or both in the ascending order. So I have written in the descending order. Now next is that the first term of this will be divided by the first term of this. Let's see what quotient we will get. X square divided by x. Then I will get the x. So x quotient is there. So for this, when I will divide by this, then the first quotient will be the x. Now by this x I will multiply these both terms. Both these terms will be multiplied by this x. So x into x is what? X square. Then plus, okay, and 3 into x is 3x. Okay. In division what we do? This subtraction. In subtraction the sign of this will change. So this is cancelled. X square minus x square. Here 8x minus 3x. So this is 5x plus 15. Okay. Next is again the first term will be divided by the first term. See what is the quotient? 5x divided by x. Quotient is 5. So next quotient will be plus 5. Next term of the quotient will be plus 5. And by this plus 5, I will multiply this x plus 3. So 5 into x will be 5x. And 5 into 3 will be 15. 5 3s are 15. Now as arithmetic, like I will change the sign, subtraction. So this will be cancelled. And this is also cancelled. No need to show this, otherwise it will look very dirty. So just you this one. So your answer is that, what is your answer? Quotient is equal to x plus 5. Quotient is equal to x plus 5. You can verify this sum. We can verify the sum. Verification, whether I'm right or wrong. Verification. What is verification? I know that this dividend is equal to what? This into this, means divisor into quotient plus remainder. So that is equal to, here divisor is what? X plus 3 into x plus 5 plus remainder is here nothing, 0. Okay. So let's see, that is equal to, if you multiply x square plus 3x and then this x multiplied by both, now 5 plus 5x plus 15 is equal to x square plus 8x plus 15. So verified. So this is verified. That this dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus the remainder. And my answer is same, x square 8x at 15, and this is also this one. So it is verified. Next sum. This one. Okay. So here what to do? I'll take this as the divisor, 3x minus 2 here. And then here 12x square plus 7xy minus 10. Okay. Now this is the first term, 3x, and this 12x square, first term. So first term of the dividend is divided by first term of the divisor. So that is equal to 3 4s are 12, 4. So my first will be here 4. This divided by this, whatever I will get, I will write it here 4x. Now whatever is here, I will multiply this both the terms of the all the terms of the divisor. All the terms of the divisor by this one. So 4 3s are 12 x square and 4 2s are 8x1. Okay, then sign will be changed, here minus, here will be plus in subtraction. This minus will be converted to the plus. Now 12x square and 12x square cancelled. What is left? 7 and 8 is there, so it is 15xy. And here I will write the next term, no, all the terms whatever will be left. If more than after 10 is y square, any other term is there, that also I will write it here. So I will write here 10y square. No more terms, so it is. Now next is that this 15xy. 15xy divided by this 3x. Then it is 5y. It means next term of the quotient will be plus 5y. Now multiply this one, 5 3s are 15xy minus 5 2s are 10y square. So this is minus, this is plus, cancel. So this is 3. So here how I am getting these terms, first term divided by the first term, then again this first term divided by the first term. It means this number I am multiplying by such a term, so that here I will get the same term as it is here. Here 12x square 12. With 3x I am multiplying by 4x, so that I will get it here the same whatever it is here, and sign also same, so that opposite sign and it will be cancelled. So this is the division. One more sum, this one I am doing. This one you will do by yourself. Write down, note down somewhere in your notebook. This one you will do by yourself. This one I am doing. Why I am doing this one? Here only one thing is, rest is same. Only the thing is that, can you see here? This is 6x, x square cube means in the order it is x to the power 0, x to the power 1, x to the power 2, x to the power 3. It will, if I will think ascending order, then it is in this way. This is the ascending way. And but in this it is x minus 3. So it is this side, it is the ascending order. It means one of the, this either this one or this one, I have to change the direction or change the order, sorry. So I will take this x minus 3. This is in what order? Descending order. This is in this way, it is in descending order. So descending order, this also I have to take in descending order, means I will take x cube here minus 4x square, then plus x plus 6. Now I will start the division. After this, both will be in the descending order. Now I will start. So x cube divided by x. What is this? X cube by x is x square. It means this is multiplied by x square, then I will get this one. So x square. Multiply this one. X cube minus 3x square. Now change the sign. This is minus, this is plus. So this is cancelled. So here it is only minus x square. Then write both here. Plus x plus 6. Both the terms. Now x square divided by x. Let's see. X square divided by x is equal to x. Now my next term will be this x. Minus x square it was there. Whatever it is there, I will divide it. So here it is minus x. Okay. Now here I will write minus x. Now this whole term is multiplied by minus x. So x into minus x will be minus x square. This minus minus plus x, 3x plus 3x. Okay. Now change the sign. This will plus, this is minus. So this will be cancelled. And this is how much? Minus 3x plus x. This is not now plus 3x. This is minus 3x. So it will be minus 2x. Plus this is there 6. I will write it here. This 6. Okay, this x, this 6. I have to write. Now minus 2x. The first term of this will be divided by first term. So it is minus 2. Okay. It means my next term here will be minus 2. Now this whole term is multiplied by minus 2. So 2 minus 2x minus minus plus 2 3 is 6. Sign will be changed. So this will be cancelled as well as this. So your answer remainder is 0. So your answer is that quotient is equal to x square minus x minus 2. Is the answer. Next, this is the last sum I will do for you, division. Now why I am doing this one, because can you see here in descending order, the power here is x to the power 3 and here the power is x to the power 0. Nothing means x to the power 0 is 1. So the thing is that when you will divide, both are in descending order. So x to the x minus 5 I will write, and this one when I will write x to the power 3. But I will leave the space for square power. Then I have to leave the space for x to the power 1. This is 3, x to the power, I will leave the space, and then I will leave the space for x to the power 2. And then I have to 3, 2, 1, and then 0. It means 125 I will write. Now I will start the division. Okay, and this is with the minus sign. This is what? This is the space I left. The space. This is nothing. Space. Little bit space I will leave. You don't have to mark it 0, 0. Now x cube divided by x is x square. So it will be x square. Multiply both the term with the x square. So it is x cube. Now see. Minus 5 into x square is minus 5x square. If I won't leave the space, where I will write? The like terms I want to write here. So here I will write minus 5x square. Then change the signs. Minus here, plus here. So this will be cancelled and this is 5x square. Here again, for this, the leave space, and here this is there. I will write it here. Minus 125. Now 5x square divided by x. 5x square divided by x is 5x. It means my next term is 5x. Plus 5x. Then 5x, multiply this. This is 5x square. Okay. Minus 5 5s are 25. Then change the signs. Minus and this is plus. So this will be cancelled. This and this. This will be 25x. And this one again I have to write minus 125. Now 25x, first term of this divided by first term, so I will get 25. It means here my next term is plus 25. Now this x minus 5 is there. I have to divide it by, multiply it by the 25. So x multiplied by 25 is 25x minus 5 25. So it is minus 125. 25 5s are 125. Now change the signs. This will become minus, this will become plus. So this both will be cancelled and answer here remainder is 0. So your answer is what? Quotient is equal to x square plus 5x plus 25. Remainder each and every time here you are getting 0. It is not necessary that always you will get the remainder without any remainder. No remainder will be there. Sometimes the remainder will also be there. Then also your answer is correct. Now this sum, so you will do by yourself. I will not help you to do this sum and this sum. So this is all about how to do the division. This one. Next, this sum is there where it is given area of a rectangle is this much and its one side is this. Find the length of the adjacent side. area of rectangle. What is the formula for area of rectangle? Area is equal to length into breadth. Okay. And one side is given to you, asking you another side. Suppose length is given to you, asking you the breadth. So breadth is equal to what? Area by length. That is equal to area divided by, or area divided by length. It means to get the breadth, what you have to do? This 4x plus 15y, and this, it means this 8x square 45y square plus 18xy, which is the area, will be divided by this length. Area, this area will be divided by this length, then you will get the, whatever the quotient is there, that will give you the breadth. So here you will get the breadth, B-R-E-E. This also I think you can able to do. Now I have given you the hint how to continue the sum. Okay, so this just the general division, whatever the quotient you will, you will get, that will be the breadth, because I know that this is the application of this application of division of a polynomial, that where it is applied. It is applied like here, if you know the area, length, breadth. So length into breadth is area, so breadth is equal to area by length, or you can say length is equal to area by breadth. So this is all about the division. And okay, the remainder one sum I will do in the next class, where you will get some remainder, and these sums you try in this class, and then if possible next class I will do it.